Happy Saturday, everyone. So I am back for another full day of eating and to talk about my weigh-in. So I'm going to actually jump right into the weigh-in. So the last weigh-in was, let's see, 181. This one is 180. Let's see, the last BMI was 36.6. This one is 36. Body fat was, let's see, it was 51.3. This one is 50.7. Skeletal muscle was 21.8. This one is 21.8. So some things stayed the same, the good numbers, and the body fat dropped a little bit. So things are still kind of chugging along very slowly, but to be quite honest, I'm not expecting huge changes at this moment because I'm under such a tremendous amount of stress, just really stressed out. And until I can kind of breathe and maybe get a handle on some of these situations, I don't know if any of these numbers are going to actually change a whole lot. I don't want them to get too out of hand, but at the same time, I don't see them really making progress the way they should. So let me know if you still want to see me do these weigh-ins or just continue just to do the full day of eating and maybe do weigh-ins once a month. So comment below and let me know. So right now, I do have my coffee. The only thing I have in here that's a little bit different is I added a splash of salt. So that's about it. And I'm going to drink this down. And I'll be back with my first meal. Today's going to be an interesting day, and I'm going to take you guys with me. And I will be back. Okay, I am back, and let me show you some things. I found this nice little blueberry green tea. I love teas, so I'm kind of anxious to try this one out. And this creamer, non-dairy creamer. So let me talk about the macros on here. It, for 2 tablespoons, is 15 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, and 0 carbohydrates. So this would be a nice option, dairy-free option for me. And for my first meal, this is what I have. It's weird. So at the very bottom is a leftover cheeseburger from yesterday, and on top is some spaghetti. I know, very strange. I'm trying to get rid of all the leftovers, so I'm just throwing everything together and calling it a meal. So I'm going to eat this and report back in later, you guys.